In this video, I'll show you how to create a folder in File Explorer. Okay, so I'll go and open it up. So I'll right click here and let's just launch this one. So we'll go here. So we are under CapCut and videos. So I'll create a folder right here in this directory. There's multiple ways. Here at the top panel, you can see this option to go ahead and create a new folder just by clicking on this. It will start up a new folder and ask you to rename it, right? You can name it anything you want. Maybe something like today's videos. And you put today's videos right here. Or what you could also do is right click anywhere with empty space and then come here under new. You want to choose folder. Okay? And then name it something, for example, yesterday's videos. Anything you want. And there you go. Those are two ways you can do it. The third way is holding Control, Shift, and N to create a new folder. So Control, Shift, and N. I'm holding it on the keyboard right now. And there you go. We have our third way to create a folder. And it's really that easy and simple. Do whatever that works for you best.